If you want photos and videos on Threads to look more vibrant and with better contrast, you need to turn off the switch next to the Disable Display of HDR Media option. This will activate HDR display, and all content will be shown in full quality. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily enable HDR media display on Threads. First, open the Threads app and log into your profile if you haven't done so already. Once you're in Threads, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your profile page. On your profile page, tap the two horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings page. In Settings, find the Account section and tap on it. Next, locate the Media option on this page and tap on it. Here you'll see three options. Find the option called Disable Display of HDR Media and turn off the switch next to it. And that's it. Very quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel Smart Assistant. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.